Introduction to Pomodoro Timers in Focus To Do.
Focus To Do combines task management with Pomodoro timers to help you stay productive. The Pomodoro Technique breaks your work into focused intervals, followed by short breaks. In this guide, you'll learn how to set up and use Pomodoro timers within the Focus To Do app to better manage your tasks and boost your efficiency.
Setting up Focus To Do.
Begin by downloading and installing Focus To Do on your device. After opening the app, sign in or register for an account if needed. Navigate to the main dashboard, where you'll see options to add tasks and access the Pomodoro timer. This setup ensures your tasks are organized and ready for focused work sessions.
Creating tasks for Pomodoro sessions.
To organize your work, add tasks to your to-do list by tapping the plus icon or Add Task option. Enter the task name and any details you want to track. Assign a Pomodoro estimate, the number of Pomodoro intervals you think the task will take. This helps you plan your day and measure your productivity more effectively.
Starting a Pomodoro timer.
To begin a focused work session, select a task from your list and tap the Pomodoro timer button. The timer will start counting down, usually set to 25 minutes by default. Focus To Do will keep track of your work time, helping you stay on task. You can pause or stop the timer if you need to take a break sooner.
Taking breaks and reviewing progress.
When the Pomodoro timer ends, Focus To Do will prompt you to take a short break, typically 5 minutes. After 4 Pomodoro sessions, you'll be offered a longer break. The app records your completed Pomodoros and allows you to review your progress. Use this feedback to improve your workflow and maintain consistent productivity.